having trouble getting a good night's rest? We all do at times. With all the stress around us, it can be hard to fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling rested. Stress and electromagnetic frequencies from cell phones, computers, and other electronics don't help the case. Bright lights and other things can change our nervous system and sleep hormones and lessen how much good sleep we get. When you don't get enough sleep, you lose out on what your body can do to work properly. Your cognitive thinking skills get worse, your motor skills slow down, your energy drops, and you're at more risk for diseases and health conditions like obesity, diabetes, and cancer. You'll feel better, work better, and block disease by getting at least 8 hours of sleep each night. The easiest thing to do is grab a sleeping pill, but is that a good idea? It may work for a little while, but it's really harming your body's health and natural abilities. Sleeping pills can come along with dizziness, constipation, stomach pain, a hard time paying attention, memory problems, and harm to the central nervous system. If you do not want the bad things that come with sleeping pills, what can you do? The answer is banana cinnamon tea. Using the soothing value of banana, the banana peel, and cinnamon is a great way to push insomnia and other sleeping disorders aside. Bananas are full of potassium and magnesium. Most people do not know that the banana peel has even more potassium and magnesium than the banana, and they just throw it away. Not anymore. With this simple recipe, you can get the help from the potassium and magnesium in the banana peel. Potassium and magnesium are helpful to the nervous system and are great for soothing the muscles. In fact, magnesium is the most important mineral to ease muscles and can lessen muscle cramps and other aches and pains. Cinnamon is great because it evens out blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels are even, your hormones can work in a way that lets you sleep better. If your blood sugar levels are off, then you may have energy at night or be tired during the day. Here's the recipe. Ingredients: 1 organic banana with peel, 1 small pot of water, a sprinkle of cinnamon if you'd like. Step 1. Cut off both ends of the banana, top and bottom. Step 2. Put the banana into a pot of boiling water. It's even better if the water is spring water or filtered in some way. Boil it for about 10 minutes. Sprinkle some cinnamon in the water as well. If you'd like to add some stevia for sweetening, do so. Stevia helps to even out blood sugar levels and will not raise blood sugar levels before bed. Step 3. Add more cinnamon if you'd like, and enjoy.